Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting straight to the Always on Display settings. Open Settings now and follow along. Once in Settings, go to Lock Screen because that's where Always on Display lives. Tap Lock Screen to enter its options. Make sure your screen timeout is reasonable before enabling AOD since the feature interacts with display power rules. You're preparing the phone so changes apply correctly. Next, we'll enable and customize the AOD elements themselves, step by step. Now enable Always on Display by flipping the toggle. You'll see immediate preview feedback. Once enabled, select clock style to pick digital or analog, then add widgets like music or calendar if you want quick info. These choices control what shows when the screen is dim. Make sure to set the AOD schedule, always, tap to show, or custom times, because that affects battery and when notifications appear. Adjust brightness and color accents so the display is readable without draining power. Finish by locking the phone and verifying the Always on Display appears as configured. If the clock or widgets are missing, reopen Settings and confirm selections. If problems persist, restart the phone to clear temporary issues and make sure battery saver or adaptive battery rules aren't disabling AOD. As one key troubleshooting tip, check for third-party lock screen or theming apps that can override AOD. Disable them temporarily and retest, because conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.